Okay, I think we're going to do a coolant changeout today, but we're going to do a little cheating on this one. Instead of taking off all the panels and everything, we're going to take the hose off the water pump. Under here, there's three components we want to look at. Under here, there is the cap, which is right under there. We're going to remove that. I don't know if we can get a picture of it here. Oh, we got it right there. The other component is we lift this up. We take this off here. This little inspection plate for the reservoir. That comes out. And you'll notice there's a cap here. We got to take that out. And we're going to suck this out. I'm using a syringe. First, what I want to do here is drain the fluid. I'm going to do that by removing this hose here off the water pump. First, remove the hose clamp, which I had already did. Slide it back out of the way. And this may be a two-hand job, so let me get this over here. Okay, good. Now let's see if I can get everything all splashed up here. See if we can take this off here. There you go. And keep in mind, this whole system only takes less than a half a gallon. So we're going to let that drain for a while. And I'm going to go under and take off the radiator cap to make sure everything is drained. Okay, radiator cap is off, everything is draining. Now we're going to siphon this out using a syringe. I'm going to have to put this camera down. Siphoned it out. We'll let that drain for a while. That's empty. That's draining. That's about full capacity right there. But we're going to refill it with a half a gallon. We shall see if we bleed it. Okay, in summary, we're going to use this syringe, and we used it already, to drain the reservoir. We removed the cap in the radiator, and we removed the water pump inlet hose right there. It's completed draining. Now we're going to reinstall the hose and we refill the system. And that's it. No Tupperware being removed, no plastics, no tabs being broke, no nothing. Simple as pie. Okay, while she's pumping up, you want to make sure you bleed off. When the radiator reaches its top position, it's filled, you'll want to bleed there's a bleed screw here to make sure you have all the air out of it. You use a 10mm wrench and open that up, and once the green fluid or your whatever color fluid you use comes out of it, you close it off. And that would, then you bled your system. The next step would be to make sure you completely fill your reservoir up. And make sure your radiator is topped off. Close it off. Start your engine, and then let it heat up nicely. Rev it up a few times, and shut it off. Let it cool down. Make sure you refill your radiator and your reservoir. Now, Honda would like you to probably change out the washer on that bleeder screw. I didn't think it was necessary, and I don't think you have to do that. So it's an easy peasy job, not so difficult, without taking any of the covers off, plastic, because they always are problematic when they break and those little clips and stuff break. Didn't look at the book on this, just figured it out. I think it was the easiest way to do it. I like easy. So have a good one, guys. Bye.